Tohoku Limited Express, bound for Keisei Takasago, via Shinagawa and Nihonbashi on the Toei Subway Asakusa Line.
May 18 naman tayo, tinandaan ko nila 18. Turn.
Ano, malamig na. It's big, bro. Ganun siya. Hindi ko kayang dangkalin sa kamay ko. Diba? That's how big it is.
Hindi pala siya magnet.
You guys spill the tea. That's some real tea right there. Hello everyone, I just found something. Ito siya. There's a lot of Kamen Rider figures here. You know, Kamen Rider Hibiki, Kamen Rider, I don't know. Ito napanood ko na rin to. It's all Kamen Riders here and then Ultraman. Meron dito mga plushies na anime yan. Meron dito 3,000 yen. And meron dito there's Godzilla and monsters here. Marami pa kaming pupuntahan mamaya and we're just looking around. Nandito kami ngayon sa area ng sikat na temple dito sa Japan. There's a lot of people kasi it's their holiday and ito talaga yung puntahan nila when it comes to New Year.
Ready.
What?
Sensoji.
Sensoji Temple. As you can see, we're here in front of Sensoji Temple. Pumunta lang talaga kami dito para magpa-picture. Pero may nabili kaming mochi so we're gonna eat it. So it's strawberry mochi. Tumabi muna kami to eat this. And I think we'll proceed to somewhere else. Magsa-subway ulit kami or magta-train ulit kami. Wala pa kaming pictures masyado so we're gonna take pictures. Yan. Parang we should eat it with the strawberry. Hindi natin dapat
Inaalok na yung strawberry.
yan.
Ano yan? Ang galing. Ay, okay. Maganda yan.
Tara na. So, nakapag-train na kami guys. And nakaka-stress siya pero it's exciting experience yan. May ticket ulit kami. We're headed right now to Akihabara. We're walking dito siya. Going to Shibuya Line. So, it's 95 meters away. So, ayan sila. Ganda ng walkway dito. Here in Big Camera in Akihabara, Japan. Hindi ko pa rin napupuntahan to, so I'm very new. So kung ano yung makikita ko, makikita nyo rin. Pasok nyo, dun sa entrance sa may parang mga crossing is mga laptop. Mostly they are Lenovo, Dell, Asus. There's some Asus here. Hindi siya mga gaming laptop, yung mga nandito. It's more of an office or working laptop. Siguro nasa ibang part yung mga gaming laptop. Ayun, NEC. Yeah, that's my previous laptop po, NEC. Fujitsu. There's a Fujitsu laptop here. Even though ganda lang ng design niya. Okay. So, here's sa first floor. These are laptops. So, wala pa ako nakikita na cameras, diba? Ang ironic, big camera pero there's not a lot of cameras. So, dito kasi sa Akihabara, it's like the capital of anime, mga anime. Wala pa ako masyado nakikita ng anime kasi it's January 1 and I think sarado sila. I've seen a Dragon Ball poster. Mihoyo, diba Mihoyo is like with Genshin Impact. Saan nakiyatan? We're going up here dito sa big camera and tingnan natin mga camera stops here. Sila dad, pumunta sila sa 4th floor. May nakita silang mga chocolate doon. So ako pupunta ako ng floor 5 kasi I'm gonna check camera stops. Baka dito na tayo makahanap ng tripod. Ayun, mga tripod nandito. 5K, what the heck? I've been looking for this Joby siya na tripod. And I have like same camera here. There's a CVE10 pero white version. So, nung gusto kong mag-vlog dati, nung 2018, this one is the one that I wanting. Canon G7X yun. But, ito yung nabiyaya sa atin and I'm thankful with this kasi I think this is better. Here's the lens that I've been looking for. Yeah, this one. Maliit lang siya na wide angle lens. Ito, this light lang. Ito. How much is this? I'm just gonna choose here kung anong pwede kong makuha na maayos-ayos. Vlogging? No way. What the heck? It's a... ano pa kami ito? Yeah, but it's a big ass Sony camera. Wala akong makita ng mga lenses na i-mount. I'm looking for a wide angle lens para sa pang-vlog natin, but...
Video tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm vlogging. It's a CVE10.
Where can you find it?
Here, this one is the same one. I think this one is CVE1 and then this is CVE10. You can change the lens in here. In here, you cannot. But in vlogging, I think you can use any of the two, but this one is more versatile. Because you can change the lens. Yeah. Are you like planning to start a vlog?
I want to start. How did you do blog it for YouTube?
I just posted on YouTube. I'm just a small vlogger.
Build up.
Yeah, build up my audience.
Just trying. I'm not sure. I do a blog or.
Yeah, it'll be great. Good luck on your vlog, bro.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Camera bag yun eh. Sayang yung job. Magkano daw? Opo, 13 nga daw po. Hello, I have a question.
I can speak English, sorry.
Anong in-explain sa'yo?
Bulon, I can speak English. Kasi lalapag-lapag ko lang. Hindi makapag-decide. Sayang kasi pag-tripod. Pero sabi po, di ba last day mag-Shinjuku daw? Hello everyone! So, nandito na kami ngayon sa Keikyu Kamata Station. Nakabalik na kami from Akihabara and dun sa temple na nakalimutan ko na naman. First stop was the temple and then pumunta kami ng Akihabara and most of the stores were closed because it's New Year. It's January 1st. But now we're walking. Papunta ulit kami sa train station kasi we're going to take the train going to Shibuya. I know. We're going to the Tokyo Tower. We're rushing kasi medyo gabi na. Kaya nagmamadali na rin kami. And ayun, let's go.
January 1st, 2024. Nandun kami sa Japan. Sa Tokyo. We were in the second floor sa train station and we were buying tickets. When suddenly, lumindol.
Feel ko talaga lumindol.
Ako rin po eh. Kaya nakita niyo po, kumapit ako lang sa ano. Kanina lumilindol. But, yeah, maybe it's just on that part. Kaya, yan. Let's go to Tokyo Sky Tree, guys. Hello everyone, we're just currently walking. Papunta kami ngayon dun sa Tokyo Sky Tree. Sobrang lamig. Pero ayun, tingnan nyo. Look here. So, diba napuntahan na natin yung Macau Tower in Macau. And sabi ko, it's tall but it's not wide, so it's not that big. But here, Tokyo Sky Tree is like, tingnan nyo na lang. Oh. bro. Ganun siya. Hindi ko kayang dangkalin sa kamay ko. Diba? That's how big it is. Dito po ako naghintay kanina eh. Kasi diba nandun ako, naiwan ako doon. Nasaan na sila? Sabi ko, babalikan naman ako ng mga... Dito muna ako naghintay. Marvel oh. Spider-Man. Hello guys, so kita nyo naman, nandito kami ngayon sa Marvel store. We're just here and we're just looking at the merchandise. Tignan mo, ganda ng Venom mo. Sheesh, parang Joker vibe siya. Yung color niya is violet and all. Bandai! May ganda pa yan. Di! Jim. Hello. Where is the Gundam dashboard? Gundam dashboard? Gundam? Oh. One Piece.
And Gundam.
Alright, thank you. I have 500 yen. Yung kasi yung nakakatch sa eye ko, so I'm just gonna get it. So it's not 500. 500?
500.
Oh, 1,500. Alright, thank you. So it's 1,500 pala. That's too high. Yung nandito na lang, just gonna put you guys here. None?
了解 change money あっちいえ500円入らない入らない
No, 100
Okay 1 2 3 4 5
Oh, fine.
change
Thank you.
Kaya pala ayaw mag-cash.
This one. Oh, yeah. This one. Thank you. I got this one. Yeah, so this is the, parang ito yung pinaka main price nila. So yeah, I got it. So yeah, we're off to Shibuya. Let's go. Here? Yeah, we're here in Shibuya Station and we're going to Shibuya Crossing.
Exit yun.
Hachiko Square. Hachiko Gate. Hachiko is the one of the... Well, I think all of the dogs are loyal pero siya lang yung naging parang symbol of loyalty. You know the story? Yan, panoorin nyo na lang. Alam ko may movie nun eh. So yeah, we're just walking to Hachiko's Gate. A8. It's gonna be our last day tomorrow, so even if we have limited time, we're going to all the places that we can. Bilis nga lang namin dun, may 15 minutes ba tayo dun sa kanina? Parang 30 minutes lang po, no? Parang ganun, minuto lang, hindi kami tumagal ng oras kasi mabilisan lang. So yeah, let's go! Let's go! Let's take a selfie now. So, we're here in Shibuya Crossing, guys. Dapat dun eh. Ano pa tayo? Hey guys, so we're in Shibuya and nakita naman na namin yung Shibuya Crossing. Here in Shibuya, mas bukas sila ngayong January 1 kaysa dun sa akin. Parang ano siya, arcade. There's also Yoshinoya here na hindi namin makainan kasi ang haba ng pila. There's so much stores in here, guys. There's so many stores. And we're thankful kasi open siya. Even if we expected na hindi siya magiging open, but it's open. Ay, dami namin nadadaanan. Krispy Kreme, Toho Cinemas, nandyan siya. Yeah, we're just walking. Papunta kami sa Uniqlo. Hindi ba tayo Uniqlo? So pupunta kami ngayon ng Uniqlo. Hello everyone, we're back. And nandito tayo ngayon sa 7-Eleven ulit, malapit sa hotel namin. Hindi ko na na-videohan, pero we totally got lost from Shibuya going back here sa station o dito sa hotel namin. Ang dami kong barya dito. So tomorrow, it's the last day, but there's a lot of things that we will do for our last day.
ご乗車ありがとうございました。
Hey, go dad. Go dad.